Hello friends, in this video we would discuss on some Easter eggs on Linux, and that is also through command line interface or using the commands. Let's start the terminal at first. So the first Easter egg here, that is using the command, that is aptitude or aptitude, aptitude. Then the space and then use move. Press enter. Now Linux says there are no Easter eggs in this program. So we are using a flag, that is -v. Let's check what happens. Once again the Linux says there are really no Easter eggs. So we are adding one more v in the flag. Once again Linux says, did not I really tell you that there are no Easter eggs in this program? So we are adding one more v with the comment. Now Linux says stop it. So we are using another one v with the comment. Okay, if I give you an Easter egg, will you go away? So that is the Linux says. We use another v with that. And now the Easter egg is here and Linux says, alright, you win. So what is it? So we can check it also using another v, using the flag. Press enter and here the Linux says it's an elephant being eaten by a snake, of course. So that means that one is the elephant being eaten by a snake. If we use another v with the flag, the result or output would be the same. So that is the first Easter egg in Linux command line interface using command aptitude. Let's type clear to clear the interface. Next, start with another Easter egg, and here the command is cowsay, and whatever we are writing here, suppose hello, press enter. So a cow says that hello. So once again, suppose cowsay share comment and like please. So the cow says share comment and like please. So that is the second Easter egg. Let's once again type clear to clear the terminal. Once again we are using the cowsay command, but at that moment with a flag that is -f, and now the ghostbusters. Let's check what ghostbusters says. Suppose ghostbusters says hello. So press enter and here the ghostbusters says hello. So once again suppose we are clearing the terminal and now ghostbusters says subscribe my channel. Press enter and here the ghostbusters say subscribe my channel. So that is the third Easter egg. Then once again typing the clear. Now the last one command is practically available easily in any distribution. All the others commands we have already used. If that is not present in your distribution, you can install them. So yes, whatever I am typing here, please subscribe, and that should be always output. So please subscribe. exit from that, press Ctrl C, and you are in the terminal. Press clear. So those are very small some Easter eggs present in Linux distributions using command line interface. If you like this video, you can share, comment, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.